Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at what cars I bought in the stores where I did the in-store videos, and also what I have bought in other stores this week. So about a month ago I did the Hot Wheels 2-packs in European discount store video. I did not show this 2-pack because I found this at a different location. So these are actually two cars from the 2019 Hot Trucks 5-pack. I only want the Datsun out of that 5-pack, so it's really cool I was able to find this. So I'm going to open this up. First time ever I open these because I've never seen these before in Europe. So apparently they come in an insert like this. Let's first take a look at this one. No idea what it is. 52 Chevy, 2006 original copyright and retooled in 2014 apparently. Very cool color. Hot Wheels Speed Shop. It's got a very low bed. It's a cool one, but you know, you can't collect everything, you know. And then the Datsun 620. Very cool gold wheels. It's got the grille that is part of the interior. And also the bed bottom is part of the interior. And it's got Datsun molded into the casting in the back. So that's cool. Then the next in-store video was the fake Hot Wheels in Europe. Of course I did not buy those. Don't want to support those people. Then the 2019 Matchbox has arrived in Germany in a Sea of Hot Wheels video. I already did a chase report on that. Then the clearance at local hypermarket video. I already have most of the cars I showed there, but there were two I did not have yet, two colors I did not have. So these are both from 2013 by the way, so it's about time they clearance these. So the Garago version of the BMW 6 convertible. The only other brand I know that makes these is Siku 645 Ci. A nice dark blue, kind of purplish color. Lots of deco. Nice interior too. Very nice. And the other one, the Porsche 911 Turbo. Also very nice details. Big wing on the back and a nice interior. Of course the box says 164, but everyone knows these are not 164. These are more like 155 3-inch scale, but you know, they're nice and they're not expensive, so why not pick them up. Then this week I did the Hot Wheels lookalikes in France video. Of course did not buy those, don't want to support those people. And in the same store I also did the video European Diecast rules in French supermarket. That's where I found these four. None of these will be opened because I will do separate videos on these. This is the Norf Herb. I finally found it. So this comes in a specific box for this car. So stores can order a box of 6 cars of these instead of the multigam. These are like the Norf mainlines. So the regular multigam are the modern cars, and then the classic are the classic cars. So these come in an assortment, like you have a Hot Wheels J-case assortment for instance, or a Matchbox case. So a bunch of cars that the store cannot choose what's in there. But these boxes that has the name on the base, they can order by a box of 6. So those are often the more popular ones. So there was 1 or 2 left, I think. So I was happy to finally find it. So this will be shown in a Herbie video. I'm only missing one, and then I can do the video. And these two are also for another video. So here you can see Citroen HY Red and Citroen HY 1969 PTT. Postal Services, Telecom and Telegraph. So those are going to be put aside. Then when I did the behind the wheel of a Hummer H1 with Corvette engine video, of course that's not an in-store video, but this was not close to my home, but close to that location was a hypermarket where I have been finding great stuff before. So I went there, and lo and behold, some more old Matchbox and Hot Wheels turned up there. I don't know where they keep coming from, because I've bought 2 baskets of older stuff there last year. I did I think 5 videos on those, and again they had some cars I had never seen there before. So these are all from around 2010. This is a 2009 one, Dodge Magnum. So in the best of Matchbox video I showed the police version. I've got 2 of those. Now I finally have a version with the surfboards on top. So I just need to find the version that doesn't have anything on top, and I will have all 3 versions. Did pay full price for these, but you know, after almost 2 years of collecting, I've learned that you win some, you lose some, and you can't always buy it for cheap. If you find something that is hard to find, you just have to grab it. I know these sometimes sell for €4, so then this is even a good deal, so to speak. Hope to get it out because the glue has come undone and it's all taped up, but I think I can get it out from the bottom, hopefully. Or maybe not. Let's see. Just about. There you go. So here it is. Doesn't seem to have any damage from falling out of the packages. It's got the wood grain on the side. Nice red color. Dodge written on the side here. Surfboards. Very cool model, and it feels so heavy. Very cool. Then I found this one, the 71 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. I think Matchbox has released this year, 2019. It's kind of a re-release with the post in the back, so I'm very happy to find the original one without the post in the back. This is a 2010 release. Happily pay double the price for not having the post in the back. Got a good front end. Got the dogs in the back, also got the wood grain on the side. Very cool. Also found the Matchbox RV in kind of a maroon color. Now this maybe is a little bit expensive for this one. It's a fancy model, but I kind of like it very much, so I was willing to pay that. Don't see a lot of these around anymore. A lot of people collecting these, I think. Very nicely detailed. Back opens up to put your bicycle in. You have a walk-through passage to the front. Very cool model. Then for my hybrid and electric car collection, the 2010 Fisker Karma Hybrid, 2011 release. in silver. This is the first release, I think. Got the solar panels on top. Lots of detail in the back. Very nice model. This one, not going to open. This was the red version I was missing from the London buses, the double-decker, the Routemaster, whatever you want to call it. This is a 2010 release. I have a gold color, a green one, a blue one. The first edition was also a red one, but that one is going to be hard to find, I think. But I'm very happy to now have almost all of the mainline versions. So that's cool. So that's going to be opened up in a separate London transport video. Infiniti G37 Coupe. This is a 2011 release, and this is the first release. And there's only been 2 of these, and I have the other one also, so I have all of them. Not very hard when there's only 2 made, but you know, it's a nice model. I don't know why they haven't released more of it. I think it's cool. It looks very good. Nicely detailed. Job well done. Nice color too. It's got everything going for it. 2008 Lotus Evora in a metallic orange. 2010 release. No daylight tampos, unfortunately, but it does have the name, the license plate. So it does get some detail, but all in all, it's a nice model. Then I found some Hot Wheels too. First time ever I see this model, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Never seen this one before, and I think it's really cool. If I can get it open. There you go. It's got some gear in the back. Spare tire. Very cool. Nice one. Doesn't have the name on the bottom. Like it. And I was very happy to find this one, a 2012 Hot Wheels premiere, the Bentley Continental Super Sports. So this is not going to get opened either, because I'm going to do a Bentley video. There's only 4 of these of this model. I have now 3 of them, so I'm only missing one. If I'm not mistaken, it's the 2016 release, also in white, but doesn't have the headlight and taillight tampos, but it has black on the top, black paint on the top. So I'm still looking for that one, and then I have all 4 versions of it. Then this has nothing to do with a video. I was also this was also purchased in France, but in a store I did not do an in-store video in. I needed this for a video. Usually I don't pay that much for it. I buy it in another store usually, where they are cheaper, but I needed it, so I had to grab it. Going to open it up, because in the video it's going to take too much time to open everything up, so trying to open up as much as I can before. And now I can show you guys the card. I can get it out. That's always a pain. The car itself you're going to see in the video. So this is the code of the car. It's the Citroen 2CV. And these are the stats on it. It's from the Vintage Series 2019. It's got the 2 cylinders. 602 cc, so a little bit over half a liter, 28 horsepower, it does 112 kilometers per hour, It goes to 0 to about 60 miles an hour in 27 seconds. Weighs 620 kilograms and has 39 Newton meters of torque. Wow, those are some impressive stats, huh? But it's a cool car nonetheless. It's very iconic. That's why I like to collect it. And then in a local supermarket where I do my groceries, I found this one. The first time ever I buy one of these Welly Nex models. I collect school buses, and this one kinda looks like 1/64 scale to me. If I hold a matchbox next to it, it kinda looks realistic to me. The image is going to be a little bit deformed because of the different distance, but I think this kind of looks realistic. Maybe it's 1/60 scale, 1/55, I don't know, but I thought this would fit well into the collection. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.